Good morning. My name is Miguel Gonzalez, and I'm a certified retirement counselor with over 20 years of experience helping clients in retirement income planning, overseeing investment of funds, and designing retirement plans. Let's talk about ways to avoid common tax identity theft schemes as you approach retirement. Tax identity theft is a serious type of fraud that affects individuals of all ages and stages of our life. To steal a person's tax identity, a scammer uses that person's social security number and other personal and financial information to fraudulently file a tax return and claim a refund that they're not entitled to. Scammers often report little to no income and many deductions to get the largest refund possible. What's worse is that the victim may not find out that they've been the fraud until they attempt to file their actual return, only for it to be flagged and rejected, since the IRS has a copy of the full tax return on file. So what to do to prevent your tax identity from being stolen? Here are a few of the most common tax identity theft schemes and ways to mitigate them as you begin to approach retirement. So what are the tax schemes that are most common? Here they are, and what to watch out for. Phishing scams. Scammers send emails or messages that appear to be from the IRS or tax preparation software providers. These messages ask for personal and financial information, often under the guise of the false need to verify information to prevent fraud. Never click on suspicious links or provide personal information via email or text to avoid falling victim to a phishing scam. The IRS does not initiate contact through email or social media. Another way is stolen social security numbers. Thieves may use stolen social security numbers to file fraudulent tax returns and claim refunds. To avoid this, safeguard your social security number and other personal information. Do not carry your social security card in your wallet. Only provide this number when absolutely necessary, and be sure to shred all documents containing sensitive data. Impersonation scams. Scammers may call or email pretending to be IRS agents or tax professionals and demand immediate payment for supposed tax debts. The IRS typically communicates by mail first, not by phone or email. Always be cautious of any unsolicited communications regarding your taxes. How to defend against tax identity theft? Here are some steps to take to manage your risk. Guard your personal information. Safeguard your social security number, financial account information, and other sensitive data. Only provide this information to entities you trust. Never share it online or over the phone unless you initiate the contact or by emailing or calling the organization's official customer service contact. Also, you want to use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Create a strong, different password for each of your online tax accounts, financial institutions, and emails. Do not use any password on more than one system. Always use two-factor authentication if it's available. And you want to file early. Filing your tax return early helps decrease the window of opportunities for scammers to file a fraudulent return in your name. If you're due to a refund, you want to file it before the scammer does. You want to also monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit reports for any unusual activities like new accounts that you did not open or credit inquiries that you don't remember. Discrepancies on your credit report may be one of the first signs that identity has been stolen. And you want to be skeptical of unsolicited communication. If you receive an unexpected call, email, or message related to taxes, ensure that it's legitimate by taking action. Contact the IRS or relevant entity directly through their official website or phone number. If the call is really from the IRS, they will understand and encourage you to confirm it is legitimate. If you think you've become a victim of tax identity theft, immediately report it to the IRS, your state tax agency, and the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. They will help you resolve the issue. Consider identity theft insurance to help manage this risk. Once again, this is Miguel Gonzalez with Cortburg Retirement Advisors. Please take a moment to click the like icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive a weekly video podcast every Monday morning. Thank you for watching. I will see you all next week.